Hey, welcome back. So today we are making chicken rice with the vegetable, and I don't know how to call this menu or this kind of dish, but we're just moving with the flow. Whatever outcome is, how you wanna call it, you can call it, but let's do it. So here we begin with the chicken, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I want to marinate this chicken, okay? So we're going to marinate it, but I'm going to use this sauce to marinate it. I don't know what's the name, but just something I pick from the supermarket right away, right now. So here we go. I don't want to overdo it because I'm going to do it in air fry. So let me do this away with me. And then I'm going to marinate it. I don't want to touch that thing. I have no feeling of touching that. I'm going to marinate it like this. 1 minute. When I'm finished, I'll let you know. Now I have a director, and it's Director Leon, and that is how it goes with her. So I'm adding the sauce again. I think it's not enough. And then we're going to do it to put in the air fryer. Okay. It's ready. It's so ready. Now it's ready, and I'm going to put it in the air fryer, and I'm going to let you see. While it's going to be cooking in the air fryer, I'm going to be cooking the rice. So simple as that, and this is ready for eating. I'm feeling like to add sugar in it, so I'm going to add sugar because I'm thinking that way. 1 minute. Yeah, Director, danke well. Now we're going to add sugar. A little bit sugar. I've eaten chicken sugar somewhere, and that's the nicest thing ever to taste. Not so much, just from far. Yeah, then you marinate it again. Yeah, Dion. It's already in there in the oven or in the air fryer. So let's wait and see the outcome of that. Let's wait how it will come and the taste. I can't wait. I'm having a lot of fun. The same degree is good, and the same minutes. About 20 minutes it will be oven. We can't stand here 20 minutes waiting for that. So let's do other thing, and that is cooking rice. Let's go. And we're going to eat it the potato. I'm making the potato also ready, almost ready. Waiting to turn a little bit brown, light brown, not so dark brown, very light brown. And then we're going to mix it in a few minutes. So let's come back. The chicken is ready, as you can see. It's ready from the air fryer ready. So I have also cabbage as well, and I have carrots, and then I'm going to share the rice and the potato. So these things together, we're mixing them together, as you can see. Yeah. The potato must turn much more brown. It's not yet the way I want it. It's almost there. And then the rice is already. So we're going to do the mixing. That is what's remaining. So we're going to do the mixing together, because since these things are ready, everything is ready. So we're going to mix together. So come through. Sorry for the music. Boy, that music was too hard. But now we're going to start again to mix it. 1 minute, yeah, not 1 minute. We're going to mix it just together with you guys. So what I'm going to start with is the potato. Wait, I have to put the camera. It's ready. The potato is ready. The video has to be in the middle. That's ready. Chicken. This cut. You come to me like this. Yeah. I think you have, wait. Now we have to put the rice. Dion is helping me. And now we will see what Dion made. I don't know. She's making to make the video. So later on we're going to see together the outcome. Me and you guys. So we're mixing, and one thing is not yet here is the cabbage. Now we mix together. That's the outcome. I guess it's simple. There is not much fat in it, and the fact that it has greens inside is the best. So I'm not adding anything in here. Yeah, dear. Then we have to eat. This food, it's for me and Dion. And me and Dion, we like salt. So I'm going to add salt. Because I know you like salt and I like salt. So it is enough. And then we mix together. Easy way out. So we're having chicken, rice, cabbage and carrots, as well as fried potatoes. I think it's the nicest mixed. So we're going to show you when we are ready to eat. I wanted to add this on top of coconut. And what do you think, Leon?
Good. Good.
You can eat like that, eh? That is our dinner today for us, 2 people. So, ta-ra! Keep subscribe for the next video. Let's do this and learn together and build each other together. Apparently, this is the outcome. You can see closer down. It's the outcome. That's the outcome. So comment below about that. And we are done. So before the video end, I just noticed or I discovered something or didn't discover. So this is the new pan. I had it as a gift from my workplace at the end year party that we do every December. So Dion noticed that it has also a cover, and the cover you have to screw it. Dion is going to screw it, and I'm going to make a video and he's going to see. So don't stop there. Let's go screw the cover of the pan cover. Adios. So Dion Duma, you can show that's the cover. I don't know what you're going to do. You can't open that. It's easy or difficult. I don't know what you're thinking. What you doing?
And
Is it so?
yeah.
For sure.
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay. And then you have to screw it.
Yeah.
Okay. What, Dion? That is me and Dion and the future. En is it really tight?
Ja,
Echt
start.
goed? Ja? Je kan ook Nederland praten. Je hoeft niet Engels met mij praten. Het is moeilijk taal. Dion cannot speak good English, so therefore she will speak which language she want to speak. Because Netherlands is so easy for her in her mouth, and now English is so quite difficult. You know what we're going to do? We're going to clean it a little bit. That's the top now, you see? So quite nice, huh? The top. Nice palm. Present. Very nice one. Yes, done deal already. Now the pan came with this thing inside here. Yeah, Dion, show us. Wow. Waarom laugh je? Why are you laughing? No? I know why she's laughing. Now, fix it. What is that, Dion? What is the work?
To divide the food and to keep water out of the food.
Oh, so I could put the carrots here and cabbage here and the potato here and that. It was much easier than using so many plates. Yeah, that's a good idea, by the way. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and therefore we are ending our video at this point right here, and I'm going to show you the photo of the food when we are eating, me and Dion right now. Be blessed.
Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell.
Hey, she practiced that, man. Okay, anyway, thank you and bye bye now.